In this video, I am going to share with you 3 truths you should know if you're still packing your food in aluminum foil and feeding it to your children and your family. Speaking as a food technologist who has done research thesis on the topic of healthier alternatives to aluminum foil packaging, who is passed out from the National Institute of Food Technology, and having read multiple research papers published in reputed journals that showcase the toxicity and harmful effects of aluminium, here are a few things that you yourself can observe. When you open your lunchbox to have your rotis, you see some brown to black color discoloration that happens where your roti is in contact with the foil. That's your food being packed in a highly reactive metal where your food is now essentially toxic, which you will now happily feed to your family. It is scientifically proven in reputed journals that if you are packing hot, spicy, and acidic food in aluminum foil, it triggers Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, dementia, and can even cause death. World Health Organization recommends a safe daily intake of aluminium, which is 40 milligram according to the weight of the person. However, we are consuming 400 milligram on a daily basis. And it is not like aluminum foil is the only source of aluminium that we are consuming. We are also consuming aluminium from air, water, and medicines. So that definitely exceeds our daily safe limit. This is why we came up with a brand pyramid to offer healthier alternative to aluminum foil. If you found this information useful, please share it with someone, and I'll see you in the next one.